Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Corniest Corner. This is where we share some of the corniest jokes about some of the hottest topics in Jamaica and around the world. Now, on today's episode of the Corniest Corner, we're going to do some random topics. All right? Random topics. Joke number one. So, Elon Musk bought Twitter for a whopping $44 billion. Now, who would have ever thought that Twitter was up for sale? I guess I thought it was time to Lego the bird.
Lego the bird, 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 Lego the bird.
Joke number two. So by now, everybody knows that the price of patty raise. Yeah, man, patty price gone up. But I beg on the people. I know no upset, but nobody got tasty, go start now. Beef.
Stop it. Get some help.
Knock knock. Who's there? Soldier. Soldier who? So Jamaica got boycott the Grammys, or we just got big still next year? Cause I kind of want to find out still. Kind of with that already. Joke number four. Now, I don't know if I'm alone, you know, but I don't like calling call centers, you know, especially when I'm in Jamaica. No, man, I don't like calling call centers, man. It's like every time I come off a call, I bex. Yeah, me know it tough. Joke number five. So Elaine Thompson win the Laros, or however I want to pronounce, the very, very prestigious Sportswoman of the Year award. First Jamaican woman to ever do it. And we're proud. We're proud. She Olympic champion, she this champion, that champion. So you don't know, say a fear. Era.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
A long time I wait to use that, you know. A long time I wait. Alright, people, I promise. Last joke. Alright, so wife birthday I come up and I say, you know, I'm going to treat her to a little fancy lunch. So I do up like a steak, like a mashed potato and everything. I do say the steak well done, because we not do it rare. So I carry the lunch go to our workplace, only to find out so them treat her to the same lunch, which is steak. I only could have think to myself, what a coincidence. Get it? Steak, cow. You have to go keep up, you know. You have to go keep. Well, folks, that's it for the Corniest Corner. I'll catch you in the next one.